Hello friend, welcome. In this video, we'll create a ConnectFour project for desktop Java, the traditional Java, okay, using Eclipse. So that, yeah, we'll start from the very beginning, and because we want to share the source code in the public domain of the GitHub, right? So we start from here. So here I'm creating a new project. So ConnectFour Java, something like that, and simple ConnectFour game for desktop implemented in Eclipse, okay, using Java, like that. Let's make me a little bit bigger. So public, and add readme file, git ignore. Do we have Eclipse? No, so let's just put Java here, okay. Choose a license, okay, MIT, create repository. So this time we are not use the terminal to handle the git command. We'll use the embedded git repository respective view, right, in Eclipse. Let's get started. Eclipse. Okay, so it's here. After you install the Eclipse, there is a default workspace. You can just accept that. So for any Eclipse project in the future, we can use this single workspace, Eclipse workspace, okay. So launch. Okay, cool. So those are existing Eclipse project. We'll create a new one here, and before that, let's try to see if we can upgrade the Eclipse. Yeah, check for updates. Yeah, you can do that for your Eclipse regularly. Okay, so there's many new stuff since my last update. Okay, so next, accept the terms of the license agreement. Finish. You see here near the bottom, updating software 38%. I'm not sure if we need to restart Xcode after it finishes updating software here. 80. Okay, so restart. Oh yeah, cool. You see here, restart Eclipse IDE to apply the software update, right? Okay, so no problem. Restart now. So while we are waiting, we can make a copy of this one, this URL GitHub repository. We'll use that shortly in Xcode. Now we can close it. Well, it's our Eclipse. Restarting. Is it still restarting, or we need to manually? Okay, let's run it. Oh, 2020-09. Cool. Sorry about that. Okay. The previous one is 2020-03. Nice. Older workspace version. Do not want. Okay, so was written with older version. Continue and update the workspace with which may make it incompatible with old version. I just continue. I don't care, because we'll create a new project. Yeah. Okay, now we'll create ConnectFour Java. Oh, the welcome donate. Okay. Yeah. Let's create one here. Right. Yeah. Right click, new Java project. Right. Yes. Project name ConnectFour Java SE 13. Wow, it's very high now. Okay, so use default location is inside of Eclipse workspace ConnectFour. Yeah, that's good. So next, create the module info.java file. Let's uncheck this. We don't need that. Okay. ConnectFour. Oh, this is the library. And now we can create a new Java package, right? So it's like namespacing. So we can use this golden thumb dot Java. For Android project, we use dot Android. Okay, dot ConnectFour. ConnectFour. Okay, so finish. Now we can create our first class, the entry point Java class. Okay, so because this is the entry point, so we check this. For other classes, we don't need that. We only need one for this public main. So you will create this for us. Inherit apps. Okay. Name ConnectFour. Okay, that's good enough. Finish. This is runnable. So let's use syso. Oh, content assistant problem. I just pressed do not close. Change the setting on that to click restore. Yeah, it's out. So if we type SYSO, will, yeah, this is the shortcut for auto complete for system dot out dot print line. We'll use this a lot, so there's a shortcut for that. Let me do it again. So SYSO, then enter. Okay. Now let's print out the hello, not word, right? ConnectFour. We don't need that. Oh, there's a shortcut in Eclipse to delete a line. That's very cool. Command D. Yeah. Now let's run it and see the output here. Click this guy. ConnectFour, right? Hello, ConnectFour. Now, very important, we want to share this source code on our GitHub repository. How to do that? So let's put our highlight this line and right click, go to team, share project. Okay. Now repository, remember we already copied that thing. Now that's, hey, we don't need that. That's the older one. Okay. Repository. Oh, we cannot input here. We need to create one. Share. Use or create in. Why couldn't I? Pass within. Wait a minute. Oh, sorry about that. Before we can share, we need to go to Git respective. So go to here. Perspective. Sorry, perspective. Window perspective. That will open a Git perspective. This guy. Perspective. Okay. Is. So now we need to create one here. Right click. Add Chrome. Create Git repository. Add a Git repository. Let's try this one. No, it's not this one. It's add one. Yeah, add one. Chrome or repository. Paste repository path. Oh yeah, this one. Okay, paste this one and repository path. Yeah. Next. So let me try it again. So we should use this one, paste report, because we copied from the GitHub URL. Okay, now next. Branches of that one. It's the main branch. Okay, so next. Finish. We should have a new Git repository here. Now we can switch back to our Java perspective, and we don't need to go here every time, because here you see near the corner we can switch repository using those icons. This is for Java, this is the current one, Git. Okay, so it's easy to switch back here. Now we can do the share. Team share project. This time is available here. It's kind of tricky in Eclipse. This one. Okay, now finish. You don't need to do that, okay? So because I want to push the code to the repository, so so you can go to the GitHub, right? To review the source code there. Now we need to go. Yeah, let's push this to our remote repository. So click this one again. Now here, yeah, I just click this area and it shows up all the things in our ConnectFour Java project. So unstaged changes, you don't need to do that. Okay, again, I just show it here. So if you want to do that, you can do it. Okay, add all of them to here, stage the changes, then we can make a commit. So commit and push here. Commit and push. Commit, it means commit to the local Git system. It's like a submit, right? And push means we'll push the change to the remote GitHub server. And we put a comment here, like for created Java project, and the name is here, ConnectFour. Okay, ConnectFour. Now commit and push. Oh, I need to put my username and password here. Store in secure store. Okay, log in. Master was created in that. So if you need to recover, you need a password hint. Do you want to provide the password? No. Okay, so push the 2. Yeah, very good. So now let's switch to our original perspective, Java perspective. So this is the latest code, and now let's go to the remote. Let's go to the remote GitHub to check our ConnectFour. ConnectFour Java, this one. So do we have the new code here? Source Golden Sun Java ConnectFour. Yes, you see the code here, right? Is same as here in our Xcode. Okay, so this is our first step, and in the next video we'll try to implement something about for the ConnectFour. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Oh, you can always check out the latest code from this GitHub repository right here. This one, I'll post this in the description of this video.